Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add tracking number on Depop. Alright, so let's begin the video. To begin, log into your Depop account using your administrator credentials. This will bring you to your dashboard where you can view an overview of your product catalog, including items that have been sold, shipped, or are in other stages. To access or update the shipping label for a specific item, navigate to your product catalog and locate the item you wish to modify. Click on the corresponding shipping label associated with that item. This action will redirect you to a page where you can manage the shipping details for the selected item. Here, you'll find options to add or update the tracking number for the shipment. You can manually input a tracking number or use an automatically generated one provided by the platform. Select the appropriate courier service, such as UPS or US, and enter the tracking information accordingly. After entering the tracking number, verify the details and confirm by clicking the appropriate confirmation button on the page. This action will update the shipping information and apply the tracking number to the item's shipping label. By following these steps, you can effectively maintain and update shipping labels and tracking information within Depop, ensuring that all necessary shipping details are accurately recorded and readily accessible. So that's basically how to add tracking number on Depop. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.